Dermatude Meta Therapy is the sensational anti-aging treatment. A total concept. 100% natural results. And independent in vivo tests prove the effectiveness. The skin is externally supplemented with active ingredients. Together with the stimulation of collagen and elastin, Dermatude Meta Therapy improves the overall skin condition from within, so the skin does the work itself. Dermatude Meta Therapy gains a fresher look, firmer skin, tighter contours, faded wrinkles, and a more even complexion. You will feel and see results after the first treatment. After a course of treatments, results are sensational and proven effective. Book your Meta Therapy treatment today. Check Dermatude.com for a Dermatude salon in your area. Dermatude, the facelift alternative.